Hi, I'm Kate. I'm here with Zor Outdoor on behalf of Expert Village, and we're going to talk about hiking today. We're going to be talking about backpacking stove equipment. When I backpack, I want to have a nice, clean setup. So my stove is compact, it fits inside my pots, which easily can be tossed in my backpack because it's all in a stuff sack. Inside the stuff sack, I have repair kit for my stove, which is really important if you're on a multi-day backpacking trip. I also have a lighter, and I also have a lighter in the bottom of my backpack or somewhere else safe in case this one doesn't work. The stove setup itself is pretty easy. The stove, and I have a heat shield that's on it. This allows for the heat to come into the pot instead of the ground, and the fuel bottle. I've cleared off a space on the ground where there's not a lot of brush, there's not overhanging branches, so that nothing's going to catch on fire. I tried to find a level spot, but most of the time that's not possible, so I like to use my little cooking surface. This fits on the bottom of my stove. When you light your stove, make sure you're away from it and safe. You don't want to get burnt. And I also have my pots. These are titanium. They're very lightweight. I can fit all of my stove inside of this and then put it in my backpack, which is really convenient. When you are cooking, you want to use your heat shield around this whole thing. This keeps your fuel conserved. It keeps your heat at your pot. It keeps the wind from blowing out the flame. It makes everything much better. I try and keep my handles away from the flame and the heat shields so they don't get too hot. Some stoves have pot handles, pot grippers you can use. And ideally you want your water to boil fast. So you use the heat shields, you use your cover, you use good fuel. The faster your water boils, the more food and faster you get your food and happier you're going to be. It's important that everything's compact, lightweight, and can easily go in your backpack safely.